Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rashmi and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful, very easy and quick to work V-stitch. We're going to start off by making a slip knot. To do this, you're going to wrap the yarn around your two fingers and make an X at the base, stick your thumb inside and grab the yarn from the right. Pull the bits of yarn down and that creates your loop. I'm going to put my crochet inside and tighten the loop by pulling on the end of the yarn like this. Now from here we're going to chain in multiples of 2. So as I am only making a sample, I'm going to go ahead and chain 16. But you can certainly go ahead and work as many chains as you need for your desired project. So yarn over, pull through the loop, that's 1. Yarn over, pull through the loop 2, 3. So go ahead and work the desired number of chains and meet me back here. I now have my 16 chains. From here, we're going to start by making double crochets. So we're going to skip the first 3 chains. We're not going to count the loop that's already on our crochet, this one. That's my first chain, second, third, and there's the 4th one. So we're going to work a double crochet in this chain here. This is a treble crochet in UK terminology. Yarn over your crochet, go into this 4th chain and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. Yarn over, pull through the next 2. Now this chain 3 is also considered as a stitch at this point. Now we're going to go ahead, yarn over and work another double crochet in this same stitch. Like this. From here we're going to yarn over, skip the next chain and work 2 double crochets in the chain after that. So I'm going to skip this one and work 2 double crochets in here. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and work 2 double crochets in the same chain like this. And just like this, each time we're going to skip 1 chain and work 2 double crochets in the next chain. Skip 1 chain, work 2 more double crochets in the next one. That's 1, and here's my second one. Now right at the end you should be left with 2 chains, but in the last one we are only going to work 1 double crochet. So yarn over, go into this stitch and work 1 single double crochet. This is to ensure that our edge is nice and neat and is done in a 1 double crochet all along. From here we're going to chain 3, that's 1, 2 and 3. We're going to turn our work around and we're going to start working on top of these stitches. At this point, if you wanted to change color, you certainly can, but today I'm going to show you 2 rows of the same color. So from here, I'm going to work 2 more double crochets in the center of these 2 double crochets from our previous round. So this V-stitch almost. So I'm going to yarn over, go into this stitch, the space between the stitches, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. Yarn over, go ahead and work another double crochet in the same space like this. From here, it's quite easy to identify exactly where you need to work your double crochets. So we are going to work 2 double crochets in between each of these spaces. Yarn over, go between these 2 double crochets from our previous round and work 2 more double crochets. That's 1, that's 2. And using the same method, go ahead and complete this row. I'll see you at the end. I'm now at the end of this row and I've worked my last 2 double crochets in the space in here. So right at the end, you're going to work 1 double crochet on top of our chain 3 from the very beginning. So yarn over, stick your crochet in the 3rd chain here. Be sure to go through 2 loops, okay? And pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. And this completes your 2 rows of V-stitch. Now at this point I'm going to show you how to change colors if you wish to do multiple colors like mine, my sample piece. So go ahead and snip the old color and I'm going to attach the new color by pulling a loop through my current loop that I had on my crochet. From here I am going to hold on to the 2 tail ends and pull them down to secure this point and just give this a knot as well. And from here we're going to follow the same method each time and keep working as many rows as we like. So just as a recap, chain 3 to start with each round, turn your work around. From here we're going to work 2 double crochets in between each of these double crochets from our previous round. So yarn over, go into the center space here and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. Just like this, let's go ahead and work another. And following the same method, I can finish this row off as well. My last stitch here, we're working 2 double crochets in this previous 2 double crochets, and right at the end be sure to put 1 double crochet on top of this chain 3 stitch from the beginning. Yarn over, stick your crochet in the top chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. I'm going to chain 1 and pull a long bit of yarn out and go ahead and snip the yarn off. Now this completes my sample piece. So from here you can go ahead and use a darning needle to work all of these ends in. Now if you enjoyed learning this stitch with me, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.